Ready, start. Challenging the aforesaid notices, comma, the present petitions have been filed, full stop para. Counsel appearing for the respondents has raised a preliminary objection by submitting that the notices dated 18/6/2022, which are sought to be challenged, only direct the petitioners to answer the charges which have been leveled against the petitioner firms, with a further mention as to why it should not be blacklisted for a period of 2 years, and the decision whether to blacklist the petitioners or not would be taken only after objection to the show cause notices have been submitted by the petitioners, and in view thereof, the present petitions are premature and not maintainable, full stop para. Learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioners while assailing the showcase notices dated 18/6/2022 issued by the respondent number 2, submits as under para. The notices dated 18/6/2022, though stated to be for the purpose of giving the petitioners a showcase notice, is in fact in the nature of an order which has been issued with premeditation, with malice writ large in issuing the said notices, full stop para. The notices are founded on incorrect and incomplete facts which have been selectively stated to prejudice the petitioners, full stop. The entire exercise sought to be undertaken is arbitrary and opposed to the mandate of Article 14 of the Constitution, full stop para. The show cause notices conveniently conceal the factum of issuance of earlier notices which had been suitably responded by the petitioners, full stop. The successive show cause notices issued for the self-same reasons go to show that the respondent authority is proceeding with premeditation to somehow punish the petitioners, full stop para. The tenor of the notices is indicative of the fact that the respondent authority has already made up its mind to pass an order of blacklisting against the petitioners, and therefore, the entire exercise which is proposed to be undertaken in furtherance of the notice would be an empty formality and a futile exercise, full stop. To support his submission, learned senior counsel has placed reliance upon the decisions in Siemens Limited versus State of Maharashtra and others, and Oryx Fisheries Private Limited versus Union of India and others, full stop para. An attempt has also been made to draw attention of the court to the merits of the case and the defense which is sought to be put up by the petitioner firms in response to the imputations made in the show cause notices, full stop para. The respondents have filed counter affidavits in both the petitions in which it has been categorically averred that the notices dated 18/6/2022 simply call upon the petitioner firms to submit an explanation for violation of the various conditions under the agreement, full stop. It is submitted that the notices have been issued strictly in accordance with the liberty granted by this court in terms of the judgments dated 26/5/2022 and 16/6/2022 passed in the earlier writs, being writ C number 15363 of 2022 and writ C number 17169 of 2022, respectively, full stop para. It is further submitted that the first part of the notices contains statement of imputations regarding alleged breaches and default committed by the petitioners, with specific details having been given so as to enable the petitioners to precisely know the exact case or allegations leveled against them in order to enable them to give a reply to the allegations full stop. The second part of the notices indicates the punishment which is proposed, in case the replies submitted by the petitioners are held to be not satisfactory, and also the quantum of punishment which the respondent authorities propose to impose on the petitioners full stop. It has been averred that in the entire show cause notice there is no whisper of any premeditation as alleged by the petitioners full stop. It has been further averred that the respondent authorities have issued the show cause notice with an open mind, calling upon the petitioners to submit reply to the allegations which have been leveled, and it is only after reply of the petitioners is submitted that the authority would take a decision whether to drop the show cause notice or to pass an order with regard to blacklisting of the petitioners full stop. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.